good. Well, I'd just like to say thanks to all who have been checking this out. Really appreciate it. Thanks to those who have subscribed. It's a short list, but hey, this is supposed to be fun, so I'm not really too worried about it. But I do appreciate all that's been checking it out. Thank you very much. This is video number 4 in the series. And at this point, I'm pretty much halfway in the tear down, inspection, and cleaning portion of this build. And I'm getting ready to be turning around and starting back the other way with it. As you can see, there's it's down to frame and engine, and I'm looking a few things over and trying to decide what's next. The painting and the cleaning and whatnot is in the process of being finished at this point, but it's also going to be starting the rebuild in the next couple of videos. But so thanks anyway for all of you guys who have stopped by, and those of you who've just kind of stumbled over, I appreciate it. Check it out. Appreciate you. Right on, dudes. All right, today's update. I got the electrical panel back here cleaned up. I did a deep clean today, and I got the battery box area cleaned up. Repainted this item right here, little bracket. Took all of this out, all of that came out. Took the bracket off, painted it. Did some painting today. I got the engine mount bracket painted, horn mount bracket painted. Got the triple trees off of it, forks are off of it. I'm going to reseal the forks. I'm pretty much done with the cleaning and whatnot. I took the cam chest off of it this afternoon. It has the old style tensioner on it, and it's not broken, so that's good news. It'll be updated. I'll fix it with a new oil pump, new tensioner. Probably keep it stock, The rocker boxes are coming off next couple of days probably. Push rods will come out, pull this out. Bada bing, bada boom. Put a hone in here today, cleaned all the rust out of that. Hook peg brackets came out, and I run a tap through there, clean up all the threads. They were a mess. Table full of parts, and here are the tubes. Very, very rusty. I'm gonna have to emery cloth them, I guess. I'll be careful, clean them up. They were very hard to get out. They had pretty rusty. I'm gonna clean these up really good. I think I'm gonna paint them. So I'm gonna go with the black theme here on the bike. I got some stuff I'm gonna go to powder coat. This is I painted this one today. So that is the left side. There's the right side. I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. We're getting ready to be on the return trip here pretty quick. Yep. Got her down to parade rest. I'm gonna turn her around and bring her back. Life is good.